Hey guys, Fuse More back with a quick review on a kitchen item, and before we begin, as always, please hit the like and subscribe button if you find this video helpful. This is on the Organic Green Pan brand of enamel cookware, and this stuff has been around for a little while, and it's basically a competitor with the as seen on TV slash lower to middle end enamel cookware that's out there. But I will say this, even though it's not high-end cookware, it is very high quality. I like it a lot, and it works extremely well. No seasonings required. And I will say one more thing, this company is at least honest. Every other one of these pans you've seen, like the as seen on TV advertisements, they always say you can use metal utensils all day long on them, nothing bad will happen. They don't scratch, they don't do it, nothing bad happens to them with metal utensils. It flat out says on the back, do not use metal utensils on this, because it's honest. These enamel cookware items are not made to withstand metal scraping against them. So right off the bat, I think this company's a little more honest about their product, which is very nice. So that's a good thing to start off with right off the bat. And before we continue, I will point out that if you don't want to watch this whole video, at about the 1 minute mark right here, you're going to see me doing a cold start test. At 3 minutes and 30 seconds, you'll see a hot pan test. At 5 minutes, you'll see a hot buttered pan test. And at 7 minutes and 20 seconds, you'll see a cheese test, just to show the non-stick qualities of the pan. So this is my methodology on all these pans. I always test with eggs because they tend to be the things that stick the most, or at least the most prone to just breaking or scrambling if the product will not stay non-stick on you. But the overall result of this one is the pan works great. I can flip it with my hand. It peeled right off. Nothing stuck to it. I had a slight issue with the hot pan test that you'll see if you skipped about 3 minutes 30 seconds in. But overall, very, very satisfied with this. I sped the video up just a little bit just to help you out. But with a cold start, normally that's like your worst case scenario. That's when you didn't realize your oven, your stove wasn't on. You threw the egg on there, and oh, it's just a cold egg on a cold pan. What are you going to do now? Are you going to have scrambled eggs, or are you still going to be okay with it? So that's kind of the worst case scenario. Usually if a pan can survive this and not stick, it's going to basically take care of everything. And I also have the cheese test towards the end. I will say this, every test worked out fine. The hot pan test had a little snag. It wanted to stick a little bit. That might have been my fault because I had the pan a little bit too hot. And you'll notice when we get to the butter test, I smoked the butter a little bit, so it's a little turned brown. Still a valid test because the butter was still doing its thing with degreasing, and I cook dirty butter all the time after it's been I guess caramelized, for lack of a better term. But it worked really well. Overall, definitely a good brand. I like the fact that they advertise honestly about the metal utensils not being used. It advertises dishwasher safe, but again, at a personal level, I've never been a fan of putting harsh soaps of that kind onto these pans because I just don't think they're made for it. But it says dishwasher safe. That doesn't mean maybe you should always wash it in the dishwasher. I tend to hand wash, or at least get some boiling water and then wipe it out if anything does kind of just if anything sticky is on it, like if you cook with some like a sauce with a lot of sugar in it or something. But overall, it's a super non-stick pan. I mean, nothing sticks onto it, and I'm real satisfied with it. For the remainder of the video, I put those times up for you. I'll try to timestamp them on the description of the video on YouTube, but I'll let you listen to some basic elevator music rather than my raspy, sick voice at the moment. And have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. And again, if you liked the video, found it helpful, please hit the like button. It's a big help for me and the channel. Have a great day. day.